Hi, this is Meir from Beerbowl Traders. Today is Wednesday, September 11th. I'm going to share my recap. So coming into the day, we had a lot of good gappers on the list. There was Play, there was ZS, there was Apple was in play. But I traded RH, Restoration Hardware. Restoration Hardware is really on a really tear since the beginning of August. It was like less than $100, and now today it was trading at the beginning of the day 150. So you're talking about 50% growth in like 3 months or 4 months. Obviously, contributing to that is the low float, which is a 15 million float on this company. So this big run really got me to be long biased, and another thing is the float is 50 million according to DAS, and this is 7.5 million. So you're talking about 50% short float. So that means half of the shareholders of this stock are short the stock. So what I did is, so I was really long biased, and I was sure that a lot of these shorts, I'm sure, were hoping and thinking that maybe you could get a gap down on the earnings. So this was the fact that it didn't sell off. This was another reason why they have to cover and buy to cover. So I was long biased. So coming in on the pre-market, it was kind of like flat. Basically, it was a little bit down in the pre-market. If you look at it, here it was trading down. So I was looking for a long. So the first minute opened, there was some value in the first minute. It sold all, pop backed up. Then there was no value, but it came above 150, 156. The previous candle. So I took a long and I got filled at 156. I realized that I had a bad spread, but I did not realize what we're talking about. I was looking and I thought it's a 20-cent spread. I thought it's 166 by 166.20. Well, it was 165 by 166.20. So I was down immediately $1.20 per share, and it was just doing nothing. So I had to wait like a full minute, but I had a good feeling that it was going to pop up. I took the trade already, so I was thinking of reducing my share size maybe, because when it came up to $0.50, the spread tightened a little bit, but I stuck with it, and it really treated me well, and it really popped up here. As soon as I got this first huge bang, I took off half because I was, because I saw the way this thing is moving with the spread and everything at 157.80. And then I took off more and more very aggressively. And then here, as I cracked the previous day close, made another pop to 159.50. I got out 161. I got out more. Then I was holding a little bit. I was pulling back, chopping, putting back, and this was the all-time high. So I knew the sky's the limit with this stock. Being that it was the all-time high, there was nobody above this 161.77 level. No one above that was looking to get out of break even because they were trapped. They were previously trapped, and once it starts going, it's with the short squeeze, it could really just keep on going and going and going. But it was really choppy over here, and it tried to break this all-time high and it couldn't. So as soon as it did, I got out of here at 162. I had a feeling it was going to go much higher, and as you see, it actually did go. It went all the way up to 167. At this point is the high of day. 168 is the high of day. 168 168.50 is about the high of day. Maybe I could have added it. This would have been a good place to add here, but I had a very good profit. I was above my goal, so I didn't want to put more risk on the table. So this was my day. All in all, great trade. My one trade, one and done. And I appreciate you watching my video, and any feedback is appreciated, and have a wonderful day.